one. Today in literature you are going to be writing a short story based on a picture and question. Let's have a look at the picture and question together. What did the divers find underneath the sand? In the picture we can see that the divers have discovered something that has been buried underneath the sand, probably for a very long time. I would like you to look closely at this picture and make a list of everything you can see. Pause the video while you do this. Here are some of the things that I could see in the picture. Water, divers, coral, sand, a statue, rocks, a torch, bubbles. I have chosen 4 words and I am going to think of adjectives to describe them. You will need to use lots of adjectives in your story to make it more exciting. Can you think of an adjective to write on each line? Pause the video while you think. Sharp coral, deep water, soft sand, mysterious statue. In your story, you will need to write about what happens to the divers after they discover the statue. What might the mysterious statue do? Pause the video and think about what could happen. Here are some ideas of what might happen next. You might want to use one of these ideas in your story. The mysterious statue transported the divers back in time. The mysterious statue came to life and chased the divers. The mysterious statue was full of wonderful treasure. The mysterious statue gave the divers magical powers. I am going to start writing my story. Here is my first sentence. I am going to read my sentence out loud to check that it makes sense and that I have remembered to use a capital letter and a full stop. The divers swam past the sharp coral and closer towards the mysterious statue. I have remembered my capital letter and full stop. I have also included adjectives to describe the coral and the statue. Here is my next sentence. Can you read it with me? They carefully touched the rough stone and were amazed as the huge statue came to life. I have used the conjunction and to add more information to my sentence. I have also used an adverb to describe how they touched the statue. They touched it carefully. Can you help me read my final sentence to check that it makes sense? The statue slowly stood up. I have used another adverb in this sentence to describe how the statue stood up. The statue stood up slowly. You can have a go at writing your own story about what the divers discovered underneath the sand. I would love to see a picture of your writing when you have finished.